2021 Dodge Charger GT. Paper tags, check those out, okay? Just straight piped it. Let's take a look underneath of what we did. All right, so over here, it's a little difficult for Jay, my camera guy, to come underneath. We don't want the camera to get all f***ed up. But over here is where we put the 2 sticks of pipe. We replaced these mid mufflers right here. We got these dusty things out of here. We replaced 2 sticks of pipe right here. That's one modification that they could do sometimes. They'll just do that to start with instead of straight piping it from the get. They'll get the mid mufflers removed and then see how she sounds. Maybe a month later, come back for the rear mufflers. But in this case, they did do the rear mufflers right here, and here. This is the old muffler right here. Again, brand new. And then we hit them off with these 5-inch G exhaust carbon fiber tips. We got DJ now just spraying it down. See, if you guys aren't from South Florida and you don't come to G Exhaust, the best exhaust shop in the world, and you're up north, and they're not doing this type of shit, that's a red flag right there. This prevents rust, it coats it, makes it look good. Or else the world will start developing rust, not good. Also, please like and subscribe.
But liquor, our prices have never been lower.